Are you new to this channel? Welcome aboard. Hey, welcome aboard, new subscribers. To all the old subscribers, we're getting back to the boats. Next video. Mower skills that I think everyone should have. Here it goes.
Take me down to the Caribbean, cast my worries and my age out to sea. Take me down to the Caribbean, let me find a younger me.
Picked up garbage. That's what we do. We pick up garbage for a living.
Especially this job.
All is well until you come across a nasty baby diaper. The needles and condoms and feces on the regular.
Blowing leaves and picking up garbage. Chainsaw? Yeah! What I'm talking about. I'll pick the rest of this up. You can keep going. Look at the trash on the side of the road here. Should we stop and pick it up?
No.
I don't think so.
Landscaper's job.
That's not my yop. That's not my yop.
Every landscaper deals with it.
What about this trash right here? Should we pick this trash up?
Yep, this is our trash.
Okay, this is our trash. This is
balloons and fast food wrappers and beer cans.
all right. So it's leaves and trash, and it looks like we've done a hell of a good job keeping the leaves cleaned up around here.
Yeah.
A younger me, I'll be 25 and blonde.
Because it's not
Over
that
a
bad.
week. It's been a week and a day since we've been here.
Every week, there's always something to do. I think you're most excited about the new video footage.
I'll run hard all day long. I'll have a waist of 32. Eyes Paul Newman blue. I'll drink beer every day, and I'll never gain weight, and I'll sleep good every night. But only when I try.
I'm excited to get the job done.
Ashley's got that cleaned up already. Man, she's awesome. Somebody decided they didn't want their rose bush clippings. Thought this might be a good place to leave them. These little hooks from Harbor Freight. Let's see if we can break it today. Oh yeah, prickers. Nice. Chilly one today, huh?
It is.
Ooh.
Grass is a little frosty.
Heading to the next job.
Take me down to the Caribbean, cast my worries and my age out to sea. Take me down to the Caribbean, let me find a younger me. I'll be 25 and blonde. I'll run hard all day long. And I'll have a waist of 32. Eyes Paul Newman blue. And I'll drink beer every day. And I'll never gain weight. And I'll sleep good every night. Ah, but only when I try. Take me down to the Caribbean, cast my worries and my age out to sea. Take me down to the Caribbean, let me find a younger me. I serve drinks every day, while the ladies catch some rays. And I play music late at night. Hell, I'm finally doing this right. And I'll be the one they'll come to see, playing my songs down on the beach, life is good here in paradise. I just can't wait for another sunrise. Take me down to the Caribbean, cast my worries and my age out to sea. Take me down to the Caribbean, let me find a younger me. I found our way too late in life. The island should have always been my home. I'll go fishing when I like. Hell, I might even learn to dive.